In this week's episode, we take advantage of a beautiful day to tackle the wiring in our steering pedestal. 18 months ago, we purchased a hurricane-damaged sailboat with the dream of sailing her around the world. We started documenting this adventure each week for all of our family and friends to follow along. Since then, we've been learning, laughing, and working harder than we ever have in our lives to make this dream come true. If you'd like to support these videos and help us splash, come join us on Patreon. It's a gorgeous day today. Todd and I are going to start working on this pedestal and seeing what wiring can go away and figuring out what's going on with that.
Oh my heck, it looks like some rats made a nest in here.
Well, we've been into this a couple of times in the last bit. I think that needs to come off to really work in there.
It doesn't, but... almost need a lamp or a lantern to go in there.
I know, it's so bright outside.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Dad,
Yes?
you ran a piece of paper with a random drawing on it.
Oh, I had started something, but yeah,
It says rear step.
I got sidetracked. I need that. I need to finish that.
So, Project Interruptum.
Let's see, is that Project Interruptum or Project Interruptum?
Today is a great example of what it's like working on a project as a family and highlights what a great dad Todd is. He truly has the patience of a saint with all of us.
Wait, where is the thing that this goes in? The box?
I said that tote right there as you walk into the V berth on the right side.
V-berth or aft?
Aft berth. I think it has tubing and stuff in it.
There's a box.
No, it's like a tote right up against the closet.
Right here or in the hallway?
Right there.
Gabrielle, would you stop? Like, why? What is your problem? You can wait till you
Really
That tote right there. Yeah. Look inside and see if it's got tubing in it. Pipes, hoses, all that kind of stuff. If it does, that's where to put it. I don't know if that's it or not.
Dad,
What?
can I help you with anything?
Sure.
What?
You want to stand here and be my assistant? I need an Allen wrench.
What's an Allen wrench?
Okay, you know that little thing that I use to get your bicycle seat off? Well, let me show you. Because I think
It would
I
be
might
so much
have one
easier
down
for him
here.
to do it himself, but he really likes to teach his kids how to do
now
things.
you'll have to move those around to get them out. Okay?
These
But
ones are so
I
small.
want you to see if you can find me one that will fit that.
Should I do it?
Yeah, you probably have to take it out in order to find out. All right?
Yep.
Okay, Abigail, hand me the little screw gun drill, if you can, behind Liberty. Little blue one. Did you find one that'll work?
No, I have to go to one of the small ones. Oh, I got it. I found it.
Okay. Okay, so now you're gonna twist it that way. Quite a bit, and then see if you can pull the handle off the end.
Okay, I pulled that off.
The handle pull off now. This thing right here. There you go. Excellent.
Now
So now,
I want to do it.
okay, Abigail, come over here and take this screw out right here.
Liberty.
This is how I multitask. I have other people do the work. How's it coming? Keep going. Zip it all the way out. Keep going, keep going. All right, try pulling the screw out. There you go. Sweet. There's the nut.
Shout out.
Now let's see if this thing will come out. I don't know. That is the old controller for driving the boat. Forward and reverse and throttle.
Ew.
I know, ooh, huh? That's nice.
What's this?
Well, this wire goes to the hot right here, but it's like cut off, and I don't know if those are touching. I'm surprised it hasn't blown a fuse of some sort. Okay, where did our Phillips screwdriver go? Green handle. Green handle screwdriver behind you.
Like I said, I think you need to take that metal thing off. It would sure give you more room.
Sure would, wouldn't it?
Your wife's so smart.
Yes, she is.
That was delayed.
Well, I was just thinking, my wife is a whole team of people that's around here to keep my head from inflating too much. She's got me handled. Keep me from being too smart for my own britches. Okay, let's see if I can get this thing off now. I need two hands though. I need you to tell me which of these wires I'm tugging on. So pull on a wire.
This one.
Pull on just one wire. Is that the one I'm pulling on?
Yeah.
Which one?
This one.
This one right here?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Regular screwdriver.
Regular screwdriver.
So then this one goes up here to what? Right at the kill switch, probably.
Yeah.
So, alright, so now this comes off and needs to be laid out of the way.
There's a wire from it.
Okay.
What else can I help with?
Well, we're getting there. Alright, so, you know, have you ever watched any doctor shows?
No.
Where the doctor's in doing surgery and he goes, scalpel, and the nurse hands him a scalpel. And so I'll say, regular screwdriver, and you're going to put a regular screwdriver in my hand. Or I'll say, cutters, you know, give me the cutters, right? Okay? Alright, so that's what you can do for right now. You probably don't know what that switch is, right?
I can tell you. Hold on. I have
Those were screwed on, so I'm going to get rid of those.
windlass.
Daddy.
Top one is the windlass. The running lights is the bottom.
Okay. So theoretically, this one here went to the windlass. I need a marker and some tape. Can you go find me a black marker?
Bluebird Abigail's gonna get it. Marker and blue tape.
I think you can probably cut all of these right here with that cutter.
Okay.
Take this off. Okay?
This thing off. All of the wires.
Yeah, just do them one at a time. Further in you go, the easier it is to cut, okay?
Yeah.
So what is that? That's the key. What is this one?
I don't know. Same thing that one is.
I don't know, but this doesn't go to anything now. Slide it all the way on if you need to.
It was a year for this.
There you go. Oh, thank you.
Oh, this one's hard. It's really thick.
Yep.
There we go.
That big handle's got to come off of the shaft in order for this to be pulled through, even to get that nut off. You know what I mean? Okay, regular screwdriver. Cutters.
Putting all the weird stuff right here that you pull out.
Certainly did, didn't it? Excellent. Alright, so I've got a whole bunch of wires coming out. What is this gauge right here? That's the Autopilot.
Yes.
So that we got to be extra careful of because that's all got to go back together. So these go to the Autopilot. So this is another, at least I'm finding things that have fuses in them. if anything, if that blew, how would you know where to go find that fuse, you know? One of these gauges on the bottom, one of these two on the bottom. Temperature probably.
You've got an oil PSI
Yeah, oil pressure and temperature.
and water temperature.
Yeah, so those are both going away. So you're going to cut all these ends off. That way when I pull them through, they're not going to get stuck on something.
Yeah, it's a little hard to do it. There we go.
A wire nut holding 5 or 6 wires together, and one of them being a light. So, what the light went to, I got 2 lights.
Okay, give me
That's
the
part of that,
ends, please.
right there. All right, cut this right here. Yep.
Can I cut stuff?
Good job. All right, cutters. Is that it?
Yep.
Okay. Oh,
There's one hooked up.
pull out the loose one so I can see which one it is. This one right here.
Yep.
Okay. Yep. Okay. That would be these two. There is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 wires. These all go to the Autopilot.
Why? And what is that mess?
I don't know. Power to the Autopilot.
Like that?
Well, because this probably has the 2 wires in that one shield, and they just did that.
You
The only
have to
the
do
only
this-
left is the Autopilot and the
steering.
yes. And I bought the stuff to do the steering, remember? Because we were just going to unplug the hydraulic hoses and put caps in them.
Okay.
So that would come out real easy. So the only other thing at this point is 8 wires to the Autopilot that I have no idea what they are, how they hook up. If they just have plugs on the end, I can't see in there good enough yet to look at that. At this point, I think we've got everything undone, uncluttered, untwisted, so we can pull it out from down below. If it doesn't come out from down below, it's one of the Autopilot things. So,
Should we take these instruments off?
instruments, all those. Well, I don't know, the whole thing's hooked to this. I thought I'd wait. They're unhooked. So.
You do realize we can hear you.
So these, yeah, actually don't have any nuts on the bottom of them. So that right there takes that off. So it gives us an opportunity to do any repair work. I mean, we've got so many holes to fill. Those 2 holes. Holes on this side, instrument holes. And then we can put new stuff in, because the only thing we have on this for our electric motor is the key switch and the forward reverse throttle deal, and probably we want the little battery meter that tells you how much time you have left on the batteries and all that, probably in here somewhere. Makes it easy. Makes it easy. That one stays, that one's down, that's down, and that one stays apparently.
That's
So that
all
means
of them.
it's still up there, babe?
That's
That I need
it.
to pull?
Nope.
Excellent.